Hi debaters, Coach Agee here. We're going to continue our discussion about value and criteria by doing this simple exercise. So I have 26 philosophical concepts that are listed here, and I want you to try to decide if it's the value or the criteria. Now remember, the value is the ultimate good, and the criteria is the way that you achieve it or the way that you should look at the debate in order to achieve it. So what I want you to do is just take out a piece of paper and make two columns, one for value and one for criteria. And I want you to quickly go through these. It shouldn't take more than about 5 or 10 minutes for you to go through these and make a quick decision about whether you think this is an ultimate value or as this is something that might lead to an ultimate value. So whenever you finish this, you guys are going to come back to me in the chat and we'll have a discussion about the value and the criteria and about how they go together. Good luck.